Hi, do you really think that you are a software developer without a professional certification? You might be, but in order to get a job, in order to fulfill the requirement of the job, you actually need a degree or a certification along with some projects that you have been built previously. So, in this video, I would like to share my experience of getting the Meta's front-end developer professional certification, which I have done. Completed in in 3 months, and this certification cost me around 70 Australian dollars per month, so it took me 3 months to complete that certification. And this certification includes 9 courses, which was completely beginner friendly, and I was already familiar with React and other JavaScript libraries, so it was very easy for me to complete the certification before 6 months time period. And in this video, I'm going to share everything I have learned in that certification, and I will show you the project that I have built along with this certification.
Subscribe now.
So here you can see I have my certification on my interface. So there is logo of Meta, and a logo of Coursera. Of course, this course is found on Coursera website. Coursera did a paid collaboration with Meta. This course was taught by Meta professional staff, which are currently working in. Um, uh, so you can see that I have done this course on around July 18, 2024. Recently, it has my name. So this kind of certification is a non-credit professional certification. So a non-credit professional certification is like when you do the certification and you complete that, you won't get any credit transfer to your degree. But there are some certifications and some course providers that allows you to get the credit transfer to your degree as well. So you can see the name of Meta front-end developer, which I am. So this course is based on this certification based on 9 courses, and both of them are beginner friendly. Like as you can see here, the course is made for an entry level career as a front-end developer. And these are the courses that includes, which I already explained you, introduction to front-end development, programming with JavaScript, and version control. This is basically Git and GitHub overview. HTML, CSS in depth, React basics, advanced React, and principles of UI UX design. Of course, when you are working as a front end developer, you need to know the basic principles of UI UX designs, because you are going to collaborate with UI UX designers as well. And front end developer professional certification capstone project, you will build couple of projects while doing this certification, and trust me, that is really worth it. And the last course is coding interview preparation. So this is not really a interesting course I found in this certification. They just tell you some of the questions that might ask you from interview, but I don't think that will help you securing your job. Rather than, you should build some projects after doing the certification, because certification is not only the thing that helps you get a job. You should have some projects to showcase as your skill. Certification is just a formality to put in your resume. That's it. So this is it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next video. See you there.